I want to come and read for you about the Bible and Matthew chapter 10, verse 6. Okay, Matthew chapter 10, verse 6 talk about go rather to the lost sheep of Israel. Go rather to. Go rather. Another one is lost sheep of Israel. These two topics I want to read for you about the related Bible. Do you have time? You can open the Bible and then just like reading with me. Okay, and you can listen to. Okay, I want to read about here's the current language. Mathew si sabukuni tevrale mimi lesu Israela hi athula hamad pa olgi. Okay, mimi lesu Israela hi thula hama da pa o. No, then I could have a crop at the pathala tatit pilo. Okay, we should the remember this one. I want to read for you about another Bible verse is the Matthew chapter 15 related Bible. He answered, I was sent only to the lost sheep of Israel. Remember Jenny Kasaisu Sishawera no yes to Terra Peterma Thulu Aloma but Israel Hulu Aloma no to Corala to Israel to the Pala Aloma a Ola Pagteo Dinilo Bamrilla Penny Pagla Pakwa Lopang in your crony. They were digging. Limada Sarusia Sapu Kisilwini, Jeva Pwadi, no? Dos sister Siweda Siweda, no? Ta Merlo, Yehesu Hokula, no? Pagdama Hesu Tula Ahama, Israela Apahipo, Aolo, Pagdamala. Tamalaya Hesu pa Israela to Pagdamana, Tulu Ahama de Pa. Let an Hurara away ni Pekropa to Pata Palo. No, I was sent only to the lost sheep of Israel. Let an Hurara Pekropa to Pata let target Pai Sicolo. Okay, really. I want to keep going and reading about the related Bible. Act chapter 3. Act chapter 3 is verse 25 to 26. Related Bible. A reading for you here, and you are held of the prophets and of the covenants God made with your father. He said to Abraham, through your offspring, all people on earth will be blessed. When the gods raised up his servant, beside him, first to you, to bless you by turning each of you from your wicked way. We should think about it because of Abraham. The God promises. Away ni pagkrapatu patala kopulus so Abrahani, no? Away ni mitala kasayua ola tano. Limara saru sa pu kisi kuni teba puadile. Tuweda itumi with it papukwa. Bakado ta olo lo yuahila papati pe siba so Abraham kaye pakanyo aglu lo hakuni klani kabata sugile na klinatha nilo yuadu setaki a key upward mer a leso su tu ditu a kasu thulu ta bugdagi thulu tita deba apu susulo ta bugdagi thulu tita deba apu susu tera dinmo Neta no kora pakle kwalo lost sheep of Israel. Paine pakle kwalo bakala tulu aloma pa Israel photi pa le tulu aloma. Pakle ko ba pay Isaiah chapter 53 verse 6 talk about we all like sheep have gone astray. Each of us has turned to his own way, and the Lord has lived on him the inequality of us all. You know, we go our way, only just did it. Hi, pure. Pathinyala patamupu, palera paclew capu, the pala, patapitamapulo. Paini pacle quaquala, no. Isaiah sero yes sapohuni deva quadile. But where I di tu atuni, pahapro cle culadi, pale capa, the galu a cleda with the gal a cleda with susulo. No yuapa pata uta to culele alolo. And when it made a yuapa atata to culele a low sitane metala yesu alone, no, but thing ya, no. Away, panapa dinner, no. Paid up a clepaqua. I want to keep going and reading about the related verse. Jeremiah chapter 50, verse 6 and 7. Chapter 50, verse 6 and 7. Here, my people have been lost sheep. Their supper have led them astray and caused them to roam on the mountain. They wander over mountain and hill and forgot their own resting place. Forgot their own resting place. Pagkiten ma awat tak penok wi weda awat talotak kle pagkiten ma la awat tau bu tak kle mo no pagkiten ti odin mo no away ne 17 talk about Israel is the scattered flock and lion has chosen away. The first to devour him was the king of Assyria. The last to crush his bone was Nebuchadnezzar's king of Babylon. I want to look at it so by Nebuchadnezzar. No, I want to be thinking siko penny. Penny pakle pakwa le wilmia a sedo yesi no a sapo penny dera sabahu ro the sea nuini dewe dile yapagomu mi ti tulu ahapru kle apakwa tu tapa to hapru ole kle dulewe su kasakalolo hala kasakasu asuk tasuku tapi no a ubwi lo we hawale kasakalu kasu pokuro we ubwi wela no Israel me ti ditule alopri lopra atulo kiyu hotok wi olo la khotini asu asopa dollar akate e babulo asopa nabukanesa maka akhilo awani picture mala no pakwatu pasetu tu kasala asone metala tema at a clear to cleave up at your dinner to physical no pay up a click qualo le rumi pune tebapa dile roman I want to read for you about the Roman chapter 11 so verse 1 talk about here I asked then did God reject his people by no means I am an Israelite myself and descendant of Abraham from the tribe of Benjamin. Pagkatama tribe of Benjamin. Away ni petinya le pa Israel puti pa awati de pa atahu tagan no. Adu puti pa. Pay ni pakle pakpala le rome sarut sita a support turni deba pala munitimile pakle pa pay the support. Mother didn't know just see me you are new qui apoteklu da wenia more a third Martha didn't agiri e yeda e yemi po ishla po bakara so abraha aklieta so biami adupolo awete wala di mokasa you are to the new qui on the game no yemi so abra aklieta me biami adu the dunino aku caro pekru patu patale petamupu le petasukamupu sikolo babakhi kanya kasayuala kasaya tu tenyo kui puade ki awane lo pekru patu patale petamupu sikoa sometimes we go our way we don't think about God and then we think ourselves this is a right or wrong. No pero pakro pa tu pata le patamupo le patale take pusikolo. 1 Peter chapter 2 verse 25 talk about for Jews we are like sheep going astray but now you have returning to the shepherd and overseas of your soul. Pagkatera mala no but glow kaputit pa we okay pataumu lo pataleta kipo hi hello my friends no pero patinya le meme hong hi meme hongs Patinya sikolo tagiti pilo patamupulo. We know, right? We know, we understand something happened, but think about carefully. Last Bible verse I want to read for you, Korean language. Terpetru, a saruki, a sapo, kisiyani, deba padilo. Agiri, tumiti, di, Tulu aha proclaimone Basado kekene e Tutu kilo pakwato Do tuta pakwata teka aunelo Tuta pakwata teka aunelo Kutaroni Lopukuni permiti luta hago Dale basana kine Kaini po uro pakwato kala Crinelo La awe kwa wera atu riba para do awe asu sa do tuti thala atu ko khosaroni patinya la papu plele tadu tade bati de phala akhoni lo krelo pasukamo ro petino phala petamo punirki we understand about our way right we go in the wrong way You go your ways and the other people go other way, but not, the shepherd is not good person. This meaning about that. You don't know about how to rest. This meaning about right now, Jesus is giving his life to you for us, for our sin. This meaning about that we can rest. Okay, we don't need to worry about nothing. Okay, today is the reading about Matthew chapter 10, verse 6. Go rather to the lordship of Israel. God knows about the Israel exactly 100% because he creates the people and that he chosen the Israel. First chosen the Abraham. This meaning about that. Later then, God makes perfect way to us, you and me, for every person in the world. Judgments, wrong execution, okay, and then go wrong way. Doesn't matter, my friends and my brother. Every person in the world should be free, okay, because of Jesus. Jesus showing the right judgment, the right thing. Nobody know, nobody believe, but remember this. One day you will be believed when you're reading the Bible and the gospel. This is the great thing for you. Nobody can tell you reading, or nobody can tell you focusing and the believing. Nobody can tell you like that. Just do by yourself, read by yourself, believe by yourself. You don't believe, that's fine. Think carefully. You don't understand, pray to God, and then God will send to you the Holy Spirit. Thank you so much, my friends and my brother and sister. Today is this lesson and the go rather love sea of Israel. Let's finish this lesson. Moya su ke gluta the sweet work on our ke le su tulu Roma pa Israel no we did mala Israel polo kevra to the pala aroma on it ki tablo no chila talaki. Bye bye. God bless you all. See you next time.